Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on vector space, lecture number 1, in which firstly I will deliver some basic concepts related to vector space. For example, one should have knowledge of binary operation, about the definition and concept of field. So firstly, I will describe about these, then I will start to define the vector space. Now we define binary operation or composition. As we use binary operation or composition in group, ring, field, etc. But we have to know the proper meaning of binary operation or composition. A binary operation or composition on a set A is a mapping, it is a mapping F defined on A cross A into A. That is, F is a mapping. This mapping is the binary operation or composition. Its domain is A cross A and codomain is A. Here, but we say that binary composition on a set A in which the domain is A cross A and codomain is A. Here we see that domain is A cross A, then element of A cross A will be of ordered pair. Ordered pair such as AB under bracket, and its image will be C. This both A and B belongs to A. Also C belongs to A. F is generally denoted by the symbol this binary operation O. So we write C equal to A binary operation B. So with the help of elements of A, this A belongs to, small a belongs to capital A and B also belongs to capital A. And their operation equal to C, this also belongs to capital A. This type of function is called binary operation. In group theory, we take here G cross G and here G. This is G. Codomain is G and domain is G cross G. The image of AB is A operation B. We may use other symbol like star, plus, dot and so on for the binary operation. Now we shall give some examples. Example 1. On the set Z, set of integers, let the symbol stands for binary operation, addition. This means addition. Binary operation is here, addition. Then 2 binary operation 3 equal to 5. As this is for addition, so 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 4 binary operation minus 4 means 4 plus minus 4 equal to 0. Here we may see that this is the binary operation, is a function from z cross z to z. 2, 3, ordered pair here, 2, 3. Its image is 5 as 2 plus 3. Similarly, this image is 0, 4 minus 4. Example 2. Let Z be the set of integers and the binary operation is defined as A operation B is A plus 2B for all AB belongs to Z. Then 2 operation 3 equal to 2 plus 2 into 3, that is equal to 8. Example 3. Subtraction is not binary operation on the set of natural numbers. Since 2, 3 belongs to n set of natural number, but 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. This does not belong to n. So here n cross n is domain and n is codomain. Image of 2, 3, 2 minus 3 does not belongs to, this is minus 1, does not belongs to n. So subtraction is not binary operation on the set of natural numbers. Now we shall define field. Let F be a non-empty set with binary compositions plus addition and multiplication. Here we have two binary compositions or binary operations, addition and multiplication. Then F is said to be a field if it fulfills the following properties. First, we describe about the properties related to binary composition addition. Number 1, for any AB belongs to F, A plus B belongs to F. Closure law. For any ABC belongs to F, A plus under bracket B plus C equal to under bracket A plus B plus C. This is associative law for addition. Number 3, there exists an element called zero element and denoted by 0 in F. 0 belongs to F such that A plus 0 equal to 0 plus A equal to A for all A belongs to F. This is the existence of zero element, number 3. Number 4, for each element A in F, there exists minus A in F such that A plus minus A equal to minus A plus A equal to 0. This is the existence of inverse. Existence of inverse. Additive inverse. Number 5, A plus B equal to B plus A for all AB belongs to F. This is the commutative law for addition. These 5 properties says that F must have to be firstly an abelian group with respect to binary composition addition. Now we shall describe properties related to multiplication. Number 6, for any AB belongs to F, A multiplication B belongs to F. This is the closure law for multiplication. Number 7, for any ABC belongs to F, A multiply under bracket B multiply C equal to under bracket A multiply B multiply C. This is the associative law for multiplication. Number 8, there exists an element called identity element and denoted by I in F, such that A multiply I equal to I multiply A equal to A for all A belongs to F. This is the existence of identity element or unit element. 9 number. For each non-zero element A in F, for each non-zero element, not for all elements of F, only those elements which are non-zero, there exists an element denoted by A inverse, this is called, in F, such that A multiply A inverse equal to A inverse multiply A equal to I. The 10 number. A multiply B equal to B multiply A for all AB belongs to F. This is the commutative law for multiplication. Number 11. A multiply B plus C equal to A multiply B plus A multiply C. Also, this is the left distributive law and this is the right distributive law. Both are distributive laws. If these properties fulfill in F, then F plus with multiplication to binary composition is called a field. In short, we may say that F is a non-empty set and F plus is an abelian group. Also, F fulfills other properties for closure law, associative law, existence of identity. Only here 9 number is that all those non-zero elements of F which possesses multiplicative inverse, not all elements. Commutative law for multiplication and distributive law holds. Then F plus multiplication is a field. For example, here Q, set of rational number with binary composition, addition and multiplication, is a field. As 0 belongs to Q, 0 is a rational number, but we have already described that all those non-zero elements of Q, non-zero elements possesses multiplicative inverse. It is not necessary that 0 has an inverse. 0 may belong to Q, but it is not necessary for the definition of field that it should have multiplicative inverse. Only we have to select non-zero elements of Q. Similarly, R is the set of real numbers. Here, R fulfills all properties from 1 to 11. So, R is a field. Similarly, set of complex numbers with addition and multiplication is also a field. Now we shall define vector space. Let V be a non-empty set and F with binary composition, addition and multiplication be a field such that alpha belongs to F x belongs to V implies that alpha x belongs to V. Also satisfies following properties. Number one, V with binary composition addition is an abelian group. Number one. Number two, under bracket alpha plus beta x equal to alpha x plus beta x for all alpha beta belongs to F and for all x belongs to V. Number three, alpha under bracket x plus y equal to alpha x plus alpha y for all alpha belongs to F and for all x y belongs to V. Under bracket alpha beta x equal to alpha under bracket beta x for all alpha beta belongs to F and for all x belongs to V. 1 is the unity element of F. Multiply x equal to x for all x belongs to V and 1 is the unity in F. Then V is called a vector space over the field F with binary composition, addition and multiplication and is denoted by Vf. The elements of V are called vectors and elements of F are called scalars. Here we have taken two sets V and F. With the help of two sets we have constructed a new concept that is called vector space, where the V is the set of vectors and F is the set of scalars. That is, F may be set of real numbers, set of rational numbers or set of complex numbers. That is, it fulfills the field properties. Now we shall give an examples. Example 1. Let F be an arbitrary field and n be a positive integer and V and F be the set of all ordered n tuple of elements of F. That is, the elements of V and F are of the form ordered n tuple A1, A2, An, where each An belongs to F. Then, to show that V and F is a vector space. First we define proof. We define vector addition let x belongs to Vf and x equal to A1, A2 dot An, y belongs to Vf, Vnf, and y equal to B1, B2 dot Bn. Then x plus y equal to A1 plus B1, A2 plus B2 dot 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 an plus bn, ordered n tuple. And let alpha belongs to field F, a field alpha F equal to alpha x equal to alpha a1 a2 an equal to alpha a1 alpha a2 alpha an. Now we have to show that VNF with addition is an abelian group. Since by definition of addition of two vectors, we have got that x plus y equal to a1 a2 an plus b1 b2 bn equal to a1 plus b1 a2 plus b2 an plus bn. This is ordered n tuple. So this belongs to VNF. As A1, A2, AN belongs to F, B1, B2, Bn belongs to F. Therefore, A1 plus B1 belongs to F field. A2 plus B2 belongs to F and AN plus Bn belongs to F. So each element inside the bracket be the elements of F. So this shows the closure property. So closure property holds. Number 2, associative law. Let x, y, z belongs to VNF, where x equal to a1 a2 dot dot an, y equal to b1 b2 dot dot bn, z equal to c1 c2 dot dot cn. Now x plus y plus z equal to a1 a2 dot 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 an plus b1 b2 dot 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 bn plus c1 c2 dot 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 cn equal to a1 a2 an plus b1 plus c1 b2 plus c2 bn plus cn Now we get A1 plus B1 plus C1 comma A2 plus B2 plus C2 comma AN plus BN plus CN. Ordered n tuple. As A1, B1, C1 all are elements of a field. Therefore, we know that in field associative property holds. So we get A1 plus B1 plus C1. Here A2 plus B2 plus C2, AN plus BN plus CN. This is equal to A1 plus B1 A2 plus B2 AN plus BN plus C1 plus C2 C1 comma C2 dot Cn. This is X plus Y and that is Z. So associative property holds. Now we show that existence of additive identity. Since 0 belongs to F, therefore 0, 0 n tuple, this belongs to VNF. Let X equal to A1, A2 dot AN, then X plus this 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 equal to A1, A2, AN plus 0, 0 dot 0 equal to A1 plus 0, A2 plus 0 dot AN plus 0. This equal to A1, A2, AN. Again, zero, 0, 0 plus X equal to 0, 0, 0 plus A1, A2, AN equal to 0 plus A1, 0 plus A2, 0 plus AN equal to A1, A2, AN. Here this is X, this is also X. If we write 0, 0, 0 equal to capital 0, then X plus 0, X plus capital 0 equal to X equal to here 0 plus X, 0 plus X. Therefore 0 is the additive identity. Now we show the existence of additive inverse. Let x equal to a1 a2 an belongs to VNF. Since each ai belongs to f and f is a field, therefore minus ai belongs to f. That is minus a1 minus a2 minus an belongs to f, implies that minus a1 minus a2 minus an belongs to VNF. According to scalar multiplication, we may write this minus a1 a2 an. This belongs to VNF. Now we write x plus minus a1 minus a2 minus an equal to a1 a2 an plus minus a1 minus a2 minus an equal to a1 minus a2 a1 a2 minus a2 an minus an equal to 0 0 0. This is capital 0. If we write this minus a1 a2 minus an equal to minus a1 a2 an, implies that minus x belongs to VNF. So in place of minus a1 minus a2 minus an, we may write minus x. Therefore x plus minus x equal to 0. Similarly, we may show that minus x plus x equal to 0. Therefore minus a1 minus a2 minus an be the inverse of a1 a2 an. Let x belongs to VNF and x equal to a1 a2 an, y belongs to VNF and y equal to b1 b2 bn. Then x plus y equal to a1 a2 an plus b1 b2 bn equal to a1 plus b1 a2 plus b2 an plus bn. Since a1, b1, a2, b2, an, bn all are elements of field F, and in field commutative law holds for addition. So we may write this equal to b1 plus a1, b2 plus a2, bn plus an. This equal to b1, b2, bn plus a1, a2, an equal to y plus x. Therefore, x plus y equal to y plus x, hence commutative law holds. So, we may say that Vn f plus is an abelian group. Now we shall show the other properties. Other properties 1. Let x, y belongs to Vn f such that x equal to a1, a2, an, y equal to b1, b2, bn, and let alpha belongs to F field. Then alpha x plus y equal to alpha x plus y means a1 plus a2, a1 plus b1, a2 plus b2, an plus bn. We have defined scalar multiplication with the n-tuples as alpha a1 plus b1, alpha a2 plus b2, alpha an plus bn. This equal to alpha a1 plus alpha b1, alpha a2 plus alpha b2, alpha an plus alpha bn equal to alpha a1, alpha a2, alpha an plus alpha b1, alpha b2, alpha bn. This may be written as alpha a1, a2, an. Here alpha b1, b2, bn. Since a1, a2, an ordered interpole is x, alpha x plus alpha y. This is first property. Other properties 2. Let alpha beta belongs to F field and x belongs to Vnf, where x equal to a1, a2, an ordered interpole. Now alpha beta x equal to alpha beta a1 a2 an equal to alpha beta a1 alpha beta a2 alpha beta an. This equal to alpha beta a1. Since alpha beta a1 all are elements of F and associative property holds in F in field. Here we may also write beta a2 alpha beta an. This equal to alpha beta a1 beta a2 beta an. This is alpha beta x. So second property holds. Number 3, let x y alpha beta belongs to F field and x belongs to VNF, where x equal to a1 a2 an. Now alpha plus beta x equal to alpha plus beta a1 a2 an equal to alpha plus beta a1 alpha plus beta a2 alpha plus beta an ordered n-tuple. This equal to alpha a1 plus beta a1 alpha a2 plus beta a2 dot 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 alpha an plus beta an. This equal to alpha a1 alpha a2 alpha an plus beta a1 beta a2 beta an. This equal to alpha a1 a2 an plus beta a1 a2 an. This is equal to alpha x plus beta x. Number 4 properties. Since unit element 1 belongs to F field, and let x belongs to VNF, where x equal to a1 a2 an. Therefore 1x equal to 1 a1 a2 an equal to 1 into A1, 1 into A2, An. This is equal to X. So all the properties of the vector space is fulfilled. Hence, VNF is a vector space over the field F. Proved. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.